Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Arabesque on aerial silks. If you're new here, my name's Brendan. I'm a physio based in Australia, and on this channel I make videos about all things aerial. I've got loads of tutorials as well as conditioning and flexibility routines, so if you enjoy those kind of videos, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. The Arabesque requires quite a bit of wrist and shoulder flexibility as well as hip mobility. You don't need to be able to do the splits to pull this off, but the more flexible you are, the nicer it's going to look. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. If you're learning this for the first time, I recommend doing your footlock straight off the mat so you're not too high up for safety reasons. If you're starting with a footlock on the right, you're going to use your left hand to snake grip the pole end of the silks and then bring your right arm and shoulder through. Keep rotating until the silk ends up on your low back. You can see here that you need to rotate your wrist and your shoulder to get the full range of movement required for this grip. If you're getting a lot of wrist pain, then you're probably not rotating through the shoulder enough. Once you've come through, you can pose in your first arabesque position, and some people will choose to end it here, but to progress further, invert and hook your left foot on the pole end of the silk before letting go with both hands. To make the inversion easier, hold onto the silk with both hands and pull up to create some slack. You can bend your knees a bit if you need to, but don't overdo it or you'll have a hard time straightening them again. You need to make sure the silk sits in your low back and doesn't slide down over your hips. Once you feel balanced, you can let go with both hands. To exit, reach back up to the pole end, unhook your foot and lower down with control. Bring your left shoulder in front of the silks and rotate back around to your footlock. You can then kick it off and come back to a climb. You can also turn this pose into a spin simply by starting with a footlock spin before the entry. If you want to learn more about spinning, click the video in the bottom right corner. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. As always, stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.